Welcome to Investor Focus English. In this video, we will see ITC Q2 FY21 result review. First, we will see the segment related information. In cigarette, the revenue decreased, also the operating profit also decreased. In hotel business, the revenue also decreased, operating profit went to negative. In terms of other FMCG, the revenue and operating profit increased. Paper related business, the revenue and operating profit comparatively decreased. It's not high, it's marginally decreased. In agri business, the revenue as well as profit is increased. As a overall, the major revenue comes from cigarette. In terms of profit, approximately 3,000 to 4,000 crore will come from cigarette. The other segment will give the profit in the range of 200 crore to 400 crore. Hence, the major profit will come from cigarette. Since the cigarette business were not good for the last two quarter, we can see the impact in ITC result. However, we can see the improvement from the last quarter. Now we will see the result. In terms of sales, we always expect the sales to be on higher side. In that perspective, quarter on quarter as well as year on year in positive side, which is good for the company. Operating expenses, we always expect the operating expenses on the lower side. In that perspective, quarter on quarter as well as year on year, the operating expenses are high, which is not good for the company. When we closely look into the operating expenses, we see the expenses they paid more in duties as well as the capital goods also they paid more. So in terms of operating profit, we always expect the operating profit on higher side. In that perspective, year on year is 10% negative. However, in quarter on quarter, 25% positive is good for the company. We can see the profit is getting better compared to the last quarter. Net profit you always expect to be on higher side, though 22% negative on year, 25% positive on quarter. Earning per share also we expect on higher side, 22% negative on year, however in quarter on quarter 26% positive. Interest cost, this company is already a debt free company, so we don't need to focus much to this row. Next we will go to the fixed asset. We always expect the company asset to grow. In that perspective, compared to March 2020, in September 2020, 7.3% asset growth we can see. Next, the cash flow. We always expect the cash flow should be on positive in operating activities. We can see the cash flow from last year to the current year still in positive. However, it went slightly negative. Next is the cash flow from investing. The cash flow from investing activities, we see sometimes it can be negative if we invest more. In that perspective, we can see from year on year the value is positive, is mainly due to the maturity of bank deposit from 3269 crore to 6419 crore. In addition, they have made the acquisition of subsidiaries of 2205 crore they paid, and the current investment they have reduced from 41,000 crore to 30,649 crore. Next is the cash flow from financing activities. We always expect this to be on negative side. In that perspective, from 7,948 crore to 11,309 crore is negative. The negative we always see whether the negative created from the repayment of the loan or in other factors. In this company is a debt free company, hence the negative created mainly due to dividend paid. This is good for the shareholders because they had paid more dividend compared to the last year. In my personal view, the results were good compared to quarter on quarter, though it is not good compared to year on year. There is a recovery can be seen from the last quarter. If the recovery continues, the ITC will perform better. there is a negative sentiment which is related to the environment against activities which is a cigarette business. Whoever is not in line with environmental activities, supporting the environment, the people are not showing interest on investing. That affects the ITC share. That negative sentiment going around. However, overall the ITC is targeting to the other segment, not only the other FMCG product, also agri-business, paper and other activities they are looking to. In that perspective, the good diversified company can give good return in the long term, though the short term return will have an impact. In long term, you will get a better return in ITC share. This is my personal review. If you want to invest or if you have invested before take a decision, please discuss with your financial advisor. Thanks for watching this video.